So it's another day. I'm about to go to the market and go and get some I really want some fruit. I'm gonna go and see if I can get some fruit. I'm a little ashy and my toes look crazy and my hair growing back on my legs. What's going on? I don't know if I should just go out like this. Hopefully my feet looking like this, nobody want to talk to me. But I'm about to go to the market, like I said, and yeah, nice day, not too hot, not too cool. Look like it might rain, but I don't know yet. Hey y'all, so I'm back. What I'm about to do right now, I think I'm about to, a lady on the road, she had gave me a coconut for a discounted rate, but you know, I'm gonna take her the rest of the money today. So I just got for work. It's a Friday. Y'all been here for like almost 7 days. But yeah, I'm about to go and take her some money. And then I'm probably gonna have me a drink because I had a long work week. So I'm about to just go and celebrate myself. And then, yeah, I need to go by the hair store and get maybe like some oil for my hair because it's like getting really crunchy fast, and some alcohol. I need to go get a lot of water and some fruits. But yeah. Okay y'all, so I just left Margaritaville. I'm just walking to town, honestly. I'm walking the strip and I'm about to probably go into like the main area, like downtown a little bit. Yeah, but yeah y'all, that's all I'm doing. I'm tired. I'm probably gonna just go back home. I need to really go to get something to eat.
That's where Disney World is, right?
Yeah. Okay y'all, so I know the lighting is gonna be trash, but hey, we're gonna have to make it do what it do. I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store. These wheat snackers. When you come to Jamaica, you gotta get these things. They better than Ritz crackers. Ritz don't got nothing on me. I ended up getting me like a little fruit popsicle, you know, ginger drink. I just want to make sure that I'm making sure that my immune system is intact. I am in a whole new country. My body is just not used to this country, so I just want to make sure I'm staying on top of my game. So this is like a juice made straight from like fruit. That ginger is strong, but not too strong. Orange juice. Y'all, I got me a big old thing of water because I'm tired of getting in the bottles. Got me some chips. I'm actually going to another spot really soon. So once I get over there, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and do like real shopping. I just wanted to like use this first week to kind of like, you know, get out, go on the strip or go around town and like eat stuff. But next week I'll be more on like a strict little diet, and not necessarily diet, but a strict like meal situation. And my bad y'all, my energy is just kind of like, I didn't get much rest last night, so I'm extremely tired. Had a long work week, so I'm just gonna use this weekend to recharge. So my bad if the energy is like low. I'm super duper tired. I'm actually finna wind it down, drink some of this juice, drink some water, and I already took a shower and just go to bed. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's a new day. Let me take this out. Today is a Saturday. I'm gonna be honest y'all, I don't feel 100%. I feel like just being in this new climate and like being here so many days, I just feel a little like under the weather a little bit. So yeah, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna get up, put on clothes, and like you know, go do something. Cause it's a Saturday, so why would I be at home when I could be outside? But yeah, y'all, everything's been going well. Just taking everything one day at a time. Oh, it's another day. Y'all know when it's another day, I'ma come back on here. I got on makeup today, but it is hot, so I don't know how long this gonna last. I'm about to go get some soup. And I'm on a festival, I don't know. I'm hungry, so I'm about to get something to eat. I just got me some food. I really feel like I'm about to start driving in Jamaica because waiting on taxis and all this, it just ain't it on a hot day. It just ain't it. Hey y'all, so it's my last day in this particular place that I'm in today. I'm gonna be real, y'all. Like, I'm having a good time. I'm enjoying myself. I'm blessed and thankful. But I'm telling you, it's like this trip has brought so much clarity to me about people. People are something, man. But I'm trying not to hold on to it and let it fester into hate or into like me being upset at a person for so long, because that's not gonna be good for me or anybody else. But I'm pissed off. Like, sometimes you just gotta acknowledge where you are emotionally, and I'm pissed off. I'm hurt. And I feel disregarded. But that's a part of life, right? You live and you learn and you realize, and thank God I didn't get too invested in some of these people. Thank God. But yeah, y'all, I'm thankful today. It look like it's about to rain, so I gotta try to see if I can call a taxi, because I don't know if I'll be able to take a local taxi with all my stuff. So still kind of feeling a little under weather, but I feel better today. So, but yeah, y'all, remember, people who say they're your friends, not your friends. They're not your friend. But yeah, y'all, I'll talk to y'all when I get to the new place, and I'll probably do like a little I'll probably show y'all the place or whatever. But yeah, y'all, I know the camera look a little crazy, but yeah, I'll see y'all at the next place. Hey y'all, so I'm about to go try. Oh, I didn't even tell y'all, I'm still at the same place. I didn't leave. But I'm about to go try a new restaurant today because I'm extremely hungry. So walk with me. So I'm just now leaving the restaurant. It was so good, like so good, but really nice. I'm just tired now. I feel like I got the itis, but might just go back to the room and lay down. I don't know. I don't know why the camera does that sometimes, y'all. I really don't. But update, I'm still at the Airbnb. I'm still at the same place. Transparent moment, I'm not okay. Like, I'm not 100% okay. Like, I think that everything's kind of starting to fall on me, like, as far as like my mind just kind of taking over. Probably because I've been by myself for so many days. And it's one thing to like be by yourself in the house and still in the city where you know people. But I really still haven't resonated with why I feel this way. Like, I don't know if it's just like the devil trying to come in and like trick me or something. Because I really have no reason to feel this way. No reason at all. It's like I'm happy, but it's like it scares me. So then I think like something wrong, like something bad or something wrong is like gonna happen. Have you ever been in that space before? So y'all, I'm in my new place. I will be real with y'all. I'm sad as. I'm sad. Like, I am not happy. I'm not finna come on here and just fake it. Like, I'm just happy. I'm sad as F. Like, I don't think I've been this sad in so long. But I do know that this is all a part of the plan. So I'm trying to trust that. But I ain't been this sad in this so long, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. I ain't been sad lady than me. I'm sad. I don't know, y'all. And I'm like really trying to fucking record for y'all. But I'm so fucking sad, y'all. Like, I'm not even trying to cry on camera, but it's like I had to come on here to tell y'all where I am mentally because this video gonna be chopped the F up. I just want to tell y'all I'm sad. So I'm about to go to the store. I need to go and get some washing powder and probably something to cook for tonight and some more water. So I'm about to see if I can go catch a taxi before it gets really dark. Yeah, y'all. Oh, y'all, I'm about to go and get a taxi, and I'm about to, go find a taxi. But let me tell y'all what done crossed my path. What's in my path is these freaking dogs. But I don't think they're gonna do nothing to me, y'all. Oh, shit. Wrong one. Oops. I opened the wrong gate. Oh, shit. This is Progressive. And then you have, it looks just like a regular, it's basically just like a regular store. So 120. So I'm trying to look at the prices to compare. So they're like Captain Crunch. So 129.98 each. What I'm getting, like I'm trying to figure out exactly. My bad. I'm trying to figure out exactly what to get. Some of this stuff is kind of high. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to see if I'm. First thing, this is what I spent. I just ordered me a small Pizza Hut. I got my groceries, they in there. And then y'all, I'm hungry. I haven't really ate for real in like the past 2 days. So next thing I got is hassle is like trying to find a taxi to get back. Because I had met someone who just like dropped me off here, really nice person. But then I don't know what's going on. I think they end up leaving, so I have to go get on the taxi. But yeah, but it's so pretty. And then that's when you have the Pizza Hut right here, and you have everything that you need. And then like the little waterfall is so cute. Then you have steps leading you up to the market. And yeah, I just love this little area. It's so nice. I think over there is like a bird shack. I think it's a restaurant or like a dessert place.